running. I know what the freaking heat is, man. So I love it where I'm at now. I got no humidity. I mean, go look it up. It'll be 10%. But I don't even bother. It's always the same every day. It's 10%, 14%. And when it does get humid, when it's raining, it might get to 65. It don't even get up as high as you guys. When it's raining, you guys are like 98. Anyway, yeah, the ramps, man, they're hot. Drink a lot of water. I was young then, I could do it. Now, forget it. I don't even want to. That's why I moved here. Listen to that bird. It might be a cardinal. A loud one. All right. Thanks for coming, guys. Hang out with me. I'm just gonna kill some time back there watching, chilling. 15 days without smoking a cigarette. I'm not gonna have any coffee. I'm gonna stay real chill today. Did the music earlier. That was fun, and I was up for it then. And then I got two strikes, two flags. No big deal. They'll let me take the Eagle song out. It's probably uploading right now. Yeah, probably the U2 song. That was one of them. I don't even bother keeping track anymore. Anyway, they let me do it. Well, yes, my friend, we're here for chatting. That's why I do this. And I don't like typing, so I'm here to chat with you guys, and you do all the typing, and I'll do all the chatting. It's very cool, Louie. I appreciate you coming back because you're a good chatter. Our friend Jeannie's back from Switzerland. Everybody say hello to our new friend from Switzerland. I meant to ask you, do you know Timbo? Tim OB family? Or Timbo, I call him. Timbo? Yeah. He comes through here sometimes. I go through there sometimes. None of us have enough time to hang out too long, but yeah, I appreciate when some of you do. It's awesome. And when I get the chance, I hang out as long as I can. I spent 30 minutes with him a week ago. He goes around Switzerland showing some awesome sights, and he's got great camera and does great camera work. Yeah, I caught that. And you guys are talking about me. That's all I know. Luckily, you guys like me, so I don't have to be paranoid. Say what you will, love me or hate me. I can't control and don't want to control what people think of me. You think whatever you want. I did it again.